Turn counterclockwise to remove the halogen bulb. Remove the wire plug. Align the tabs with the notches opening. Turn clockwise to secure the LED bulb. If you can see the LED chips from the front of the headlight, the LED chips should face the 9 and 3 o'clock directions. Reconnect the wire plug. Some headlight housings are designed differently. Like this housing from a 2017 to 2019 Toyota Highlander, it has an off-center bulb socket. A regular LED bulb will not fit this type of housing. The bulb might be hitting the housing, or the dust cover will no longer fit over the bulb. Lasfit came up with an idea, by designing an off-center heatsink LED bulb, for headlights like this. Our Pro Series LED bulbs also come with dust covers, to replace the factory ones. The dust cover has an exhaust fan, to circulate hot air out of the housing to prolong the lifespan of the LED bulb. The Proto H11 bulbs fit perfectly on the Highlander housing. We also have Pro Series LED bulbs for other makes and models. Please visit our website for more details.